Hi dear students, I am your Seshma teacher. So what we discussed in the last class? Reading and writing 7 and 8 digit numbers. So today we are going to learn about successor of a number, predecessor of a number, comparing numbers, and also writing numbers in order. So first we have to discuss the successor and predecessor of a number. Then successor and predecessor. So you studied in the third class successor. So what is successor? The successor of a number is the number that just comes after it. What is the successor of a number? The successor of a number is the number that just comes after it. That means the next number is the successor number. Okay, so I'll give one example. Find the successor of 20,927. Find the successor of 20,927. To find the successor of this number. Okay, so I thought successor means to add 1 to this number. That means successor is equal to 20,927 plus 1. 20,927 plus 1. That means to add 20,927 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8, then 2, then 9, then 0, then 2. So this is the successor of a number. That means successor is the next number. Okay. The successor of a number is the number that comes just after it. That means 1 add to the number. That means 20,927 plus 1 is equal to 20,928. This is the successor. Okay. The next one, predecessor. Next one, predecessor. So what is the predecessor? The predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before it. The predecessor of a number is the number that just before it. Okay, that means find the predecessor of 59,278. Find the predecessor of 59,278. That means predecessor means just before number. That means to subtract -1 to this number. That means predecessor is equal to 59,278 minus 1. 59,278 minus 1. That means subtract 59,278 minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7, 7, 2, 9, 5. So what is the predecessor? 59,277 is the predecessor. So what is the predecessor? 59,277. So next We are going to next topic, comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Comparing So what is the comparing numbers? Comparing numbers. The comparing numbers means finding whether the number is greater than or less than or equal to the other number. Okay, but we have already studied comparing numbers, is it? And also we have already studied that the less than, greater than or equal to sign to compare numbers, is it? Then on this class, to find whether the number is greater than or less than, we have to find out on this section. On this section we have some cases is there. On the first case, when the number of digits is different. Okay, example, compare 40,273 and 2,70,927. So comparing these two numbers. So all of you look at this number. The first number is a 5-digit number. The second number is a 6-digit number. So what is first number? 40,273. And the second number 2,70,927. First we have to write the numbers in the place value order. So arrange the first number. It has in ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000 place. The ones place 3, tens place 7, 100 place 2, 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 4. And similarly write the other number. So it has how many digits? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lines. So it has 6-digit number. It is 6-digit number. So write the number ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. The ones place 7, tens place 2, 100 place 9, 1000 place 0, 10,000 7 and lakh 2. So this is the number. So look at the number. The number will more number of digit is the greater number than the other number. So it is a 5-digit number. It is a 6-digit number. That means 6-digit number is the greater number. That means we will write 40,273 is less than 2,70,927 is the answer. So all of you clear? Next, compare the number of digits is same. Second case, the number of digits is same. When the number of digits is same. So look at the first question. Compare 5,23,025 and 8,23,925. 5. So look at this question. It is a 6-digit number and also this is a 6-digit number. Okay, both numbers have the 6-digit number. We compare the number with equal digits. We compare each digit starting from the extreme left. Okay, we comparing the number with the equal digits. We compare each digit starting from the extreme left. So look at this question. The extreme left, the number is in lakh. So this is also the extreme left, lakh. So before that we have to find the number in the place value form. So write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. The ones 5, tens 2, hundreds 0, 1000, 3, 10,000, 2 and lakh 5. Here also write the number ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so write the number ones 5, tens 2, hundreds 9, 1000, 3, 10,000, 2 and lakh 8. So look at the place value chart. What I told? The number with the equal digit, we compare each digit starting from the extreme left. So look at the extreme left, lakh place. Already told the extreme left is in lakh place. That means we will compare the lakh place 5 and 8. Which is the greatest number? 5 or 8? 8 is the greater number. That means we will write 5 is less than 8. 5 is less than 8. That means we will tell this is the greatest number as compared as this number. So I'll write 5,23,025 is less than 8,23,925. Okay? Okay. The next is same number of digits in the lakh place. Same number of digits in the lakh place. On the previous question, what is that? All digits, that means the left, the extreme left is in different. Okay, so in this case, what is that? The same number of digits in the lakh space. Lakh space number must be same. So write the example. Compare 8,01,256 and 8,92,196. We will compare these two numbers. First we have to write the numbers in the place value form. That is, it has a 6-digit number and also it has the 6-digit number. So write the numbers in the place value form. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. The ones is in 6, tens is in 5, hundreds is in 2, 1,000, 1, 10,000, 0, lakh 8. And also write this number in the place value form. It has a 6-digit number, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Ones, six, tens, nine, hundreds, one, thousands, two, 10,000, nine, and lakh, eight. Okay, so what I told, we comparing the number with equal digits. We compare each digit starting from the extreme left. All of you look at this question. The extreme left is both number same. That means that is 8 is in the extreme left. That means we can't tell based on the lakh place. Then we will move the next step. What is the step? It will check the 10,000 place. That means we will check the 10,000 place. This is the 10,000 place is in 0. On this question, 10,000 place is in 9. So we will compare 0 and 9. So which is the greatest number? 0 or 9 is the greatest number? 9 is the greatest number. That means we will write 0 is less than 9. So this is the greatest number. That means this is the greatest number. So 9 is the greatest digit and 8,92,196 is the greatest number. So okay, all of you write 8,01,256 is less than 8,92,196 is the answer. All of you got it? The next is same digits in the lakhs and 10,000 place. Same digits in the lakh and 10,000 place. Then compare one example. Compare 8,21,273 and 8,20,294. So compare these two numbers. So first I already told that writing to compare the numbers, before we have to write the place value form. So write the place value form. It is a 6-digit number. That means it has ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So that means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. The ones is in 3, tens is in 7, hundreds is in 2, 1,000, 1, 10,000, 2 and lakh 8. And similarly we have to write this also. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. The ones place is in 4, tens, 9, hundreds, 2, thousands, 0, 10,000, 2 and lakh 8. I told that we comparing the number with the equal digit. We compare each digit starting from the extreme left. So all of you look at the extreme left is in 1,000. Here 1,000. That means both numbers are in equal. That means we can't tell which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number. At that time we will move the next digit or in the 10,000 place. So look at the 10,000 place. Here 2 and here also 2. That means we can't tell which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. At that time, we will move the next step to compare the thousandth place. So look at the thousandth place. This is 1 and here is 0. So comparing 1 and 0. 1 and 0. Which is the greatest number? 1 or 0 is the greatest number. That means 1 is the greatest number. That means 8,21,273 is the greatest number as compared as 8,20,294. That means right, 8,21,273 is greater than 8,20,294. Okay, so next. Same digits in the lakh, ten thousand, thousand, and 100 place. So in this section, the same digits in the lakh, 10 lakh, 1000 and 100 has the same digit. So we will come one example. Compare 7,92,192 and 7,92,142. So we comparing the number with equal digits. We compare each digit starting from the extreme left. So this is the lakh place. Both are in equal. Then 10,000 place is equal. Then 1,000 place is in equal. The next 100 place is in equal. That means next go the 10th place, that is in different. That means we will compare 9 and 4. So which is the greatest number, 9 or 4? 9 is the greatest number. That means we will write 9 is greater than 4. The digit 9 is the greatest number. That means this is the greatest number. That means 7,92,192 is greater than 7,92,142. So this is the greatest number. So next we have to write the numbers, writing numbers in order. So writing numbers in order, that means the numbers can be written in the ascending order or descending order. So you have studied ascending order and descending order in the previous classes. So what is an ascending order? Ascending order means the numbers that can be written smallest to biggest. And what is descending order? The numbers that can be written in the biggest to smallest. So first we have to write the number. So 27,293, comma 9,20,000 27,293, then 9,32,042, 8,10,293. So this is the number. First we have to write the number in the ascending order. So write the number in the I told ascending order means to write the number smallest to biggest. So if we look at this question. So first number, how many digits it is there? It has a 5-digit number. On the second number, it has a 6-digit number. And the third one, it is a 6-digit number. And the fourth one, it's also a 6-digit number. So I told, already told, the number will more number of digits is greater than the other number. So this is the smaller number of digits, is it? That means this is the first smallest number. So what is that? 27,293 is the smallest number. So next we have to look at the three numbers. Both three numbers have the 6-digit number. Is it? Both numbers have the 6-digit number. So what will next we comparing the number with equal digit. We comparing each digit starting from the extreme left. So we will compare the extreme left number. So what is extreme left? Here 9. And this number extreme left is in 9, and here the extreme left is in 8. So we will easily find out 8 is the smallest number. Okay, that means 8,10,293 is the next smallest number. So write 8,10,293 is less than. Next, we will comparing these two numbers only. We will compare. So look at this number. Both the two numbers have the extreme left. That means the lakh place is equal. Both the lakh place must be 9. So we can't tell which is the smallest number, which is the greatest number, depending based on the lakh place. At that time we will know the next digit. That means we will comparing the next place, that is in the 10,000 place. So what is the 10,000 place? That is in 2 is the 10,000 place. Here 2 is the 10,000 place. Here 3 is the 10,000 place. We will compare 2 and 3. So which is the greatest number, 2 or 3? That means 3 is the greatest number. That means this is the biggest number. That means the next smallest is in 9,27,293 is less than 9,32,042. So next write the descending order. What is descending order? The number can be write the biggest to smallest. So first write the biggest number. So what is the biggest number? That is in 9,32,042 is greater than, yes, 9,27,293 is greater than 8,10,293 is greater than 27,293. So this is the descending order. So we got the topic. Okay, then today what we discussed today? Predecessor, successor, comparing numbers, and also write the writing numbers in order. All of you got it? Thank you.